mother in Belfast is fighting a court decision to prosecute her for giving her teenage daughter abortion pills. In one of the first cases of its kind, Northern Ireland's restrictive abortion laws are being directly challenged. Joining us now live with the latest is euronews' Vincent McAviney. Vincent, tell us more about this process. What brought us here?
Good morning, Annalise. Well, you may remember a few months ago I was in Ireland reporting on the referendum to legalise abortion in the Republic. And then in Northern Ireland, it's still illegal, despite in England, Wales and Scotland it being freely available to women for some decades now. Well, this is a case all about that. And to join me now to go through the specifics of it, Catherine O'Brien, who's the head of policy at the British Pregnancy Advice Service. Catherine, can you tell us a bit about this case and the judicial review?
So today's case centres on a mother who in 2013 bought abortion medication online for her then 15-year-old daughter. Her daughter was pregnant in an abusive relationship. At the time, her partner was threatening to kick or stab the baby out of her. The mother was concerned, unable to travel to England with her daughter, so bought this medication online. She then sought care and support for her daughter from their GP, and the police in Northern Ireland seized her daughter's confidential medical records and decided to prosecute this mother for trying to do the right thing by her daughter by buying this medication.
And this medicine is available in the rest of the UK. The mother was actually questioned without a lawyer, wasn't she? What are the implications of it, and what will this judgment mean for women in Northern Ireland?
Oh, absolutely. It's incredibly worrying because this is a very safe medication. It's recognised by the World Health Organization. There's no suggestion that the mother necessarily put her daughter's health at risk. This is a prosecution under an 1861 Act. I think that today's prosecution could have a real impact on women seeking aftercare if they've taken this medical abortion pill in Northern Ireland. But we also hope that today's case will really focus the minds of politicians in Westminster who have the power to do something about this law and to prevent other women facing this unimaginable pain and distress of going through these court proceedings.
And if this challenge isn't successful, this prosecution will go forward. What is the mother facing if she is successfully prosecuted for this crime?
Well, while we very much hope that that does not happen, this mother could potentially face years in prison. And we just do not think that this should be allowed to go ahead. We very much hope that the prosecution service in Northern Ireland will do the right thing morally, even if their hand is not forced by today's judicial review, and accept that this woman should not be made a criminal.
Well, Annalise, this court will sit for today and tomorrow and will reserve its judgment, but parties have been told that they should hear back within the next couple of days. So another step in the campaign to try to legalise abortion in Northern Ireland.
Vincent McAviney live for us in London. Thank you very much for your report.